Hello, isn't me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. What's up? Welcome back. Are you looking for me? All right, today we're going through the website. We're just going to keep it short and simple on how to navigate our new website to find materials. We've rebuilt our website. We're still working on a few tweaks to make it easier for you to find. Just know that everything you need is here, or pretty much everything that you need is here. We just got to know how to find it. The first thing you need to do is register. So what that does is let us know that you're a contractor and you're doing this thing as a business, and that we give you contractor pricing. So if you go up here to the top of our website and click register, put your business name, first name, last name, your email, and then an EIN if you have one. If you're just starting out, you don't have an EIN, that's fine. We just need to know that you're a legit business. Okay, you're going to request access. That goes to Larry@lawnandlight.com. By the way, it's my dad. Him and my mom run the shipping and receiving side of things, and any questions you have about website, product specifically, you can email him and ask. But we're going to make it simple and walk through it right here. So he usually gets you access within a day. You should get an email notification when you register, when he gets you set up, and you'll start getting what we call a drip, which is just like helpful insight videos that I made to help you walk through your first days as a contractor or ordering product. Even if you're not new, it's helpful. And you can, if you already know those things, you can unsubscribe. All right, whenever you're registered, you're going to go here to sign in. Use the same email that you used to register with. That's important. So you're going to sign in with that email. Once you get signed in, it's going to take you back to this page so that you can shop and see items and prices and pages and stuff like that. So you can scroll down here to look for the products that you're looking for. Now, if you're new, you might not know what you need. If you're not new, you can either search through here. Like if I'm looking for warm white C9s, I'm going to click that. I'm clicking mainly on here, and then I pick my color. I use this warm white 3000 to 3200. I'm going to order a 500 case of that and add to cart. Now, if I need more than 500 of those, I'm just going to bump that cart up right there. Bam, plus. All right, so now we have the total there. And let's say now I need socket wire. So I can go back to the home page. You can just click the logo there and scroll back down, C9 socket spools and stringers. You can also just type what you're looking for here, spools. All right, socket spools, C9 1,000-foot socket spools. That's what I'm looking for. So how many of those do I want? Well, first of all, I got to pick the spacing. I use 15-inch. We have different colors here, green, white, brown, black. Most people just use green, by the way. You want to go commercial, you can go any of these that you want. The Minleon stuff's really good. It's more expensive though, but it's better quality wire. So if we go commercial and I need 15-inch, we've used both throughout the years. We just switched to Minleon just because of the quality of it and how the bulb sets in the socket. Just a little extra piece of information. But you're going to pay for it, unfortunately. So add to cart. And again, if I want to raise the quantity there, I would just click up, let it load, and so on and so forth. For most everything, if you know the name of what it's called, then you can just hit search and start searching for it, and you should be able to find it. Another thing that we're working on changing is here, we'll just have our 8 or 9 categories of lights and then the resources. So instead of popular products and new products, we're going to have just products and resources there. Resources are guides, consultations, contact us, that stuff. The contact us, if you're going to use that, we prefer that it's for like items themselves, not asking for help on jobs. If you're going to ask for help on jobs, you want to do a contractor consultation or go through that beginner's guide. That's a quick, I think it's like 49 bucks. And here's the reality of that beginner's guide. If you watch all of our podcasts, you're probably going to get a lot of the same information. The beginner's guide is just more compact and simple, sitting and talking about those things. You can consume that a lot quicker. So it's up to you. So I'm telling you up front, it's a lot of the same information. If you're just getting started, we're going to go, you can always click the Lawn and Light logo at the top left to get back to where you need to go. If you're just getting started, a pro package is one of the easiest ways to get started. We're going to start with a 500 or 1,000 foot, maybe a 2,000 foot pro package. You probably want to do that in a warm white. I'd go Menleon there. Menleon warm white. Whatever, if you watch the different color white videos that we have, you'll understand whatever whites that you go with. There's different warm whites, there's different pure whites, and there's different cool whites. Whichever ones that you initially order and start installing, those are the ones that you need to stick with. And honestly, with pure white, recently, or cool white, I've almost stopped selling cool white because there's enough of a difference between warm white and pure white to satisfy the customer. A lot of them don't, after seeing pure white, a lot of them don't like the blue tint of the cool white. Now you can still offer it, and what I do is have a simple picture. This is where I like, sometimes we overcomplicate things. I'll show customers a picture of what those bulbs look like. Feel free to screenshot. There, can you see that? Maybe. That's all I have. Literally pieces of paper in front of the bulbs lit up so that they can see the difference while I'm bidding the job to them. That's it. And when you go to checkout, is just to checkout. You click up here at the top right, you'll see your cart has 7 items in it. You'll see your total. Anything over $399 on our website is free shipping to the Continental 48. We don't ship outside of the Continental 48. You'll go to checkout, pay, so on and so forth, and you'll have your stuff within usually 2 to 5 days, depending on your location. If you have any questions specifically about the website, again, we've totally rebuilt this from what it was. This is new. We're still tweaking. But if you have any questions specific to the website, please put them in the comments. And we would love to help you out and get to a point where you're getting exactly what you need. All right, hey, thanks for joining us. Remember, love God, love others. Let your light reflect that. We'll catch you on the next one.